because I have to give y'all the tea on where my units come from. So if the hair companies, if y'all seeing this, baby, email me. My booking email and link will be in the description box. Hey y'all, welcome back to Taylor's TV. If y'all ain't watching me, then what y'all doing, period. Okay, yo, what's going on? Let me fix this lighting on this ring mirror. All right, yo, my face is beat, honey. My face is beat, girl, like for real. It's just everything. My face is giving baddie, okay? It's giving what it's supposed to be, then gave, okay? My makeup artist went crazy. She beat my face for our girls night. So if y'all missed the get ready with me for a girls night vlog, tune into that vlog after this. The link will be in the description box down below. So y'all, this is gonna be my first ever hair review because I have to give y'all the tea on where my units come from, because baby, my hair is just everything. Like, I had wine curls in my hair yesterday. The picture will be inserted over here or over here, whichever way, I don't know, but y'all gonna see it. And my wine curls fell so pretty for our girls night, y'all. Like, they fell beautifully. Not only was my wig installed by the best hairstylist in New Orleans, but I got my unit from a New Orleans based hair company. New Orleans based hair company. She's from New Orleans, but she resides in Atlanta. Purple Label Hair, and she ships worldwide, period. So I just want to do a first like hair review. So if the hair companies, if y'all seeing this, baby, email me. My booking email and link will be in the description box, so y'all can send me some units so I can review y'all hair, because baby, a girl is nothing without her hair done. Her crown matters, okay? Like, it's a big, huge part in your looks and your fit and whatever like that. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, the notification bell, because this video is coming back, okay? So, y'all, this unit provided by Purple Label Hair is a 22-inch HD 4x4 closure wig, y'all. Yes, I said closure, baby. It's giving very much scalp. I know y'all thought this hair then grew out my scalp, but it didn't, okay? Y'all probably thought it was a frontal, but it's very much closure with a lot of parting space, plucking space and everything. It bleaches beautifully. It bleaches easily. Like, yo, it's so soft. Like, it holds a curl. Of course, like, I didn't slip on my hair. I didn't brushed it and combed it out and everything. I ran my fingers through it, and it's still very much wavy because, oh, I also forgot to include, this is a body wave closure. So, I mean, this is a body wave unit, so of course it's gonna hold curl. It's supposed to hold curl. Of course it's supposed to curl beautifully and nicely without, you know, all the extra. But y'all can see I'm running my fingers through the hair, and it's like not coming off my hands. It's not shedding or anything, and it's still very much full. Let me see. I'm short, but it's still very much full, y'all. Like, it's still very much full, y'all. Also, I can honestly say I've been wearing Purple Label Hair since 2019, 2020, and I've did all type of styles with Purple Label Hair. Baby, I done went red twice. I done colored my hair, her hair twice with red. I done did blue hair, and I still have them wigs today. Like, they're in beautiful condition. It colors easily. It bleaches. It colors and bleaches easily. It doesn't strip, like, and it doesn't shed. Like, I didn't order blind bundles to do the blue wig, and it's just still in great condition. So I highly recommend Purple Label hair for y'all's hair needs, like for real, because the hair is so bomb, so beautiful. It definitely gives what it's supposed to be then gave, and that's on period. Okay, when it regards to shipping, I would recommend it because shipping is fast. Like I said, like her company is based out of Atlanta, even though she's from New Orleans. It's based out of Atlanta, so it ships out of Atlanta. And from shipping without any mishaps from the USPS or the specific mailing carriers, I received my packages instantly, like maybe like 2 to 3 days at the most, from when she ships out. You can easily connect with her. Like I had one incident to where I immediately had to know if I was going to get my package by a specific date. I texted her, she texted back right, like baby, like right instantly. Like you can reach her through text, you can reach her and her team through email or text, and they're just awesome. I love supporting black businesses in general. So to say that a lot of black owned businesses don't have a nice rep, she definitely does. Easy to communicate. Her prices are very affordable, because you know they say about a lot of black owned businesses that they tax, or they tax when it comes to pricing and all that stuff. But it's just, she's really affordable, y'all, and she's really so sweet. Like she's so sweet. Yeah, like I just love my unit. Like this is the wig. I love it so much. Like her hair is everything. So I would highly suggest shopping with Purple Label hair, because they're everything, honey. They're just awesome. They're awesome. This was like a short little review. This is my first wig review, hair review on my channel. So if y'all want to see more, just comment down below and let me know. Yeah, that's that on that. Like her wigs are so full and nice, and I love them. So wig dealer Allie Pearl, West Kiss, all y'all, if y'all watching this video, hit your girl up in my email or leave a comment. Follow my Instagram at TaylorGabrielle 2_. Hit my booking email, bookingtaylorgabrielle@gmail.com, because baby, I'm trying to be booked and busy. Okay, so that concludes this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because this video is coming back to back, period.